So are you currently working from home but really finding it hard to stay on task? Oh great guys, out of all the million cat videos, dog videos, all these videos that you could have landed on YouTube guys, you landed on the perfect one, since I'll be showing with you guys 5 tips. Guys, 5 tips on how you can start to work remotely from home more successfully. But guys, before this video starts, my name is Kevin and I make videos twice a week guys, every Tuesday and Friday on topics of personal finance, minimalism, and personal growth. So guys, if you're anything like me and you're trying to make the most out of your time and out of your life, consider subscribing to this channel guys, as it will help this channel grow tremendously.
Subscribe now.
Okay guys, so let's keep the ball rolling with tip number 1 guys, is find your perfect schedule. Making sure that you find a schedule that's gonna work for you will actually determine your success in the long run. So guys, if you're an early bird and you just love to wake up early in the morning, you're a 5 a.m., 6 a.m.er, and you guys just love to wake up early, no matter if someone actually forces you to sleep, you just cannot sleep guys. Just continue waking up guys at that same time and continue following the routine. But guys, on the other hand, if you and your bed sheets are just having an amazing relationship and time together, maybe just consider starting work when you please. And maybe that can actually be never. But guys, most importantly out of everything is to just start to find a schedule that's gonna actually work for you and that you'll be consistently following it day to day. And just don't follow a schedule just because you're perfect or your favorite guru does it guys, just because he or she wakes up at 4 a.m. and then goes to work out. If that doesn't work for you guys and you just can't adapt to that quickly enough, and then just consider following a routine that you are actually gonna follow on a daily basis. So guys, if you find yourself to be more productive by implementing shorter break times, then so be it. Okay guys, so tip number 2 guys, tip number 2 is change it up. The whole perks guys that comes with working from home is having the ability to actually just choose whatever space you want to actually be your workspace. So guys, with that being said, why have your workspace so conventional like you would in a traditional office space? Instead guys, pick some days that the weather is beautiful guys and that you can go outside in your backyard, maybe on your porch, and work from there. And guys, possibly by changing up your workspace and making it more better for you will actually boost your productivity level. So why not do it? And guys, another perks of working from home is that you can actually work from bed. Guys, I don't actually advise you to work from your bed because that can just ultimately make you fall asleep on whatever you're doing guys and decrease your productivity levels. So no matter how comfy that mattress may seem guys, it'll be too comfortable for you to actually get work done. Okay guys, let's keep the ball rolling with tip number 3 guys, is get ready as usual. Now guys, with that being said guys, I know that those cute fuzzy pajamas that you're currently wearing are feeling so comfortable and cozy guys, but guys, getting ready as you usually would is extremely important. And guys, I personally try to get ready as if I was gonna go to school, I was gonna go to work guys, whatever it is, I try to do as much as possible. That means to go take a shower guys, go just put on some nice fresh clothes. Something that you usually would wear if you were going out guys is extremely important. And sometimes guys, I even go as far as putting on my own shoes guys, for I can just, you know, it kind of sends a signal that I'm gonna go out and just boost my productivity level completely. So guys, I'm not trying to tell you guys to wear something that is super dressy and uncomfortable, but guys, just wear something that will make you feel good and actually keep you productive. And guys, if you don't have to see any co-workers guys, that really means that you can actually step it up a bit and just get out of your comfort zone even more, because you guys won't have your co-workers telling you guys, oh my god, that outfit looks hideous on you. Those are possibly things that you won't get from working from home. Okay guys, let's keep the ball rolling with number 4 guys, is don't forget the breaks. I know that sometimes we might forget because we don't have someone telling you it's break time, or guys, we don't have just a break schedule or any type of schedule posted maybe on your wall that you'll actually see. But guys, that can sometimes be detrimental because you'll actually forget breaks altogether. Instead guys, try to get up, you know, find a place where you can go stretch guys, or go for a little walk around your house guys, use the bathroom, whatever it is guys, just try to get up guys. And something that I currently use is something that you guys can see here. It's a desk guys that elevates and goes down guys, And these sometimes, depending on what model you get, can be expensive. It can be kind of more cheap, guys. But guys, it's truly worth it because I can stand up, guys, and work, and it just doesn't give me that urgency of neck pain or anything like that. Another technique, guys, that I've been using is called the Pomodoro technique, which allows me to work for 25 minutes and then I take a 5-minute break. So every 25 minutes of work is a 5-minute break, and I put a timer on my computer, guys, and by seeing that timer go down and down from the 25 minutes, I can kind of, it sends me a sense of urgency to, continue to work efficiently, guys, and keeps me productive because it makes me want to just continue to work and get things done. It allows me to actually see 8 hours of work or 4 hours of work or 2 hours of work set up into 25-minute blocks instead of just seeing it on a long run of 3 hours. Okay, guys, so number 5, guys, and if you're here, you guys are the true champion. You should consider subscribing right now, guys. Okay, guys, with that being said, playing some background music when things kind of get boring at work and you're just sitting there in your desk or wherever you are and you just feel like there's just no energy anymore, guys, playing some background music can really help this out. Although playing some music is extremely important because it can actually boost your productivity and get you the mood to actually continue to work, guys, it is truly important to pick the right music. So guys, with that being said, I personally try to play some music that I just go on Spotify or on Apple Music. I put study or work from home, wherever it is, guys, and a bunch of playlists pop up. I sometimes choose some chill step or some nice upbeat stuff, but not too upbeat that it gets me moving and start to dance all around, guys. Or sometimes I just pick some jazz, something nice, more calm and relaxing, some piano music. Whatever it is, guys, and you feel that you'll actually enjoy listening while you're working, it's truly beneficial. But guys, with that being said, I don't try to pick anything like too hip-hop or rap or anything like that I'm gonna start rapping or singing along, guys. Plus, I just don't consider myself the best singer in the world. But guys, it's extremely important to just pick some music that will get you in that productivity mindset, guys, and allow you to work efficiently and get you by the day much easier. Okay, guys, so with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 tips, guys, that I gave you guys, the viewers, the people that need these tips, guys, on how to work remotely from home. And if you guys are new to this channel, guys, maybe consider subscribing if you guys enjoyed the content so far, and comment down below what other videos you'd love to see next. I hope to see you guys in the next video, guys, and stay minimal, keep budgeting, and boost your productivity. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing day and stay safe.